This is a short video about fixing vertical lines on your LED flat screen television. Lines started showing up after we had the TV for some 3 years, which doesn't seem long considering the high price we paid for the 70-incher. 80% of the screen was good, and we could still watch TV while waiting for the repair parts to come in. Per YouTube and other videos I watched, it all seemed straightforward. Plus, I had a lot of experience with electrical circuits, including repairing computers. So, as most of you watching know, they all say it's the Tcon board when you get vertical lines. Replace that little 2-inch wide board and all is good. You can see in the image there are only 4 screws holding it down, and mine had 4 ribbons attached. Easy out and repair. By the way, I found the clamp down ribbon ones were easier to pop open using a butter knife in the middle of the clamp. That's where there's an undercut for your fingernail there. So I went online, and from eBay I ordered a Tcon board from some guy. The only seller which said they were brand new. He had brand new stuff. So I believed him. After all, it was only $39 for it versus all the others claiming theirs were used ones going for roughly $20 or less. When I put it in, my picture was worse. This time, I not only had the vertical lines, I also had a pixelated image on the screen. Anyway, I sent it back and never received confirmation of a refund. So I ordered from another seller for $10. While waiting, I looked up my make Vizio and for parts suppliers. They mentioned Shop Jimmy. And sure enough, this shop also claimed they had factory new parts. So I paid their high price of $54 because this time it was really new. So I thought. They sent me the identical Tcon board for a 60-inch model. Both use the same part number. Go figure. Except the one for a 60 inches uses only 3 ribbons. Mine being a 70-inch uses 4 ribbons. Shop Jimmy said they made a mistake and sent me the right one and told me to trash the one they sent by mistake. Wow. When the part arrived, being brand new, I expected my vertical lines to disappear. Well, they didn't. It was the same as my board I replaced. Shop Jimmy said, "Sorry, you have a bad screen, not worth fixing." In the meantime, I'm stuck with not so new Tcon boards, which I paid $50 plus for. Not to mention the crap I received from eBay. I even tried replacing the power supply board someone had mentioned and 2 of the ribbons with no change at all. Still bad screen. After going online and checking the reviews about Shop Jimmy, I saw they were responded to some of the buyers by telling them that their parts were from good broken TV sets. So what am I to believe? So far, none of the people selling LED TV parts tell the truth, and none of them sell new parts from the factory. I doubt very much that the original manufacturers of these new LED TVs that you're seeing supply repair parts, because they just seem too easy to repair, and they would lose sales. I ended up buying a new TV from Amazon. They also sell used Tcon boards, so be careful. The only repair places that do an honest repair job are those that take the time to replace individual defective circuit components, not the whole board at one time, which is easy for anybody to do. Experts are those that can measure the voltages and pinpoint the defects. Those people are a rare breed. It seems the vertical lines are coming from circuit boards attached to the screen that are about 1 inch wide and are located either on the top or the bottom of the screen. And I'm not about to go that far. So Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com.